everyone's familiar with it, so I'll give you a derivative, but it's wiggle your toe, right? So the whole idea is you want to advance that because every other chiropractor says that. So for me, it's turn your head to the right or look to the right or look up or what did you have for breakfast yesterday? So whatever it is that can get them to think about something else, as long as they're genuine, relatively, at least as close to passively relaxed as possible, will help you get them to relax. Just talk to them while you're doing stuff. And as long as you said, hey, you know, I'm going to just work through some tissue here, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the adjustment. Okay, so I just need you to relax for me. If I was in that position like I was with Jen, setting that shoulder into the table, I might say something like, yeah, so that South Park episode last night, they did Cartman, man, that was offensive. Did you know people find that shit offensive? I think it's funny, boom. So, like, that's how it's done on the most professional level, and they'll build more rapport. Adjustment is to target healing in the shoulder, but also reduce a lot of the neck tension and through the shoulder that's there anyways, because that bottom C7, C6 didn't want to move so good. So you just let your head fall to the left, shoulders relax, let it go to the left like that, but faster.
Oh, okay. I don't feel.
That's an authentic dietitian reaction.
Yes.
Where's this thumb? Where's the occiput? Okay. Nice and relaxed. Everything relaxes more. Head to the left. Okay. Let it fall to the right. Chin up more. Let it fall. Hold on. Don't help me. Don't help me.
Okay.
Yeah. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Oh, baby. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
That one released on the left though. Really.
Yeah. That's really good.
There you go.
Okay. Well, thank you. I think my head can wobble off now.
Yeah.
Thanks. Wow.